Welcome friends to my VG Creativity world. Today I am going to show how to make a boolean stitch. For that, from down to up you come. So like this you will take the stitch and just rotate the thread 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, I have here rotated 12 times and just simply hold it this while pulling and come back to the original place. See, like this you have to do and just come back to the original place like this. So this is our boolean stitch. Again, see, like this we will do. Okay, take one more time, you come like this and rotate the needle. At least here rotated 12 times, so I am rotating 12 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, I have rotated 12 times. Keep your thumb on this and pull the needle, and after that just this direction we have to put inside, so do it like this so that it get gathered at one place, and then put the needle down. Again we want one more. I am showing these are boolean stitch. Okay, so again one more time you will come like this, means make a straight stitch. Okay, see, we have to do like this, no problem. See, like this first, and after doing this rotate the thread 12 times I have done, so 12 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, like this. Then hold this, keep your thumb on this like this, and just pull the needle. Okay, while holding my hand slipped, so no problem. And after pulling, just see that you are means gathering all together, and then you are putting the needle down. Okay, see, like this you will come, means I am now going in the clockwise direction, it will look like a flower. Okay, so do it like this. First step, then rotate the thread around the needle according to your choice. Here I am rotating 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, like this. Then see, 12 I have 12 times I have rotated. Before pulling, see that you are keeping your thumb on this and then pulling the needle. Okay, see, like this. And before putting again on the same place, see that you are gathering like this with your hand and just putting the needle down. Okay, I am showing one separately, like this you can do. So see, I am going down and coming to this place. Here one more I will show. Okay, first step, do from, if I want the boolean stitch should be drawn here, so take the needle, put the needle down and come back to the same place. First step, like this. Then rotate 12 times according to your choice. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, see, I have rotated. Keep the thumb on this where you have rotated, so that your thread comes smoothly out. Okay, that you have to see. And here the strings I am just losing it, and okay, like this, and then pull slowly like this and come back to the original place. Before putting down, just gather it and then put down. So this is our bullion stitch. See, like this it looks. This is our bullion stitch. Thank you.